What's up, YouTube? This is Battalion from 8-Bit Core. Stuff on my shirt. I just want to do a real quick video to go over the issues that I'm having with GoPro. I've looked online. I've watched several different videos on how to try to fix this problem, and there's nothing. I'm not seeing anybody having the same problem for some reason. But anyways, I'm gonna do my bag of goodies. We got all kinds of goodies for the GoPro. Okay, so our GoPro. Basic GoPro Hero 4 black, or black, yeah, I think it's black, even though it's silver. Anyways, so about a month and a half ago, I got an update on the software for my GoPro. So I went ahead and updated, and ever since then, I've been having issues with the sound. You hear this horrible thumping, this in the background, and sometimes it doesn't pick up things properly. Well, we went and we got a little mic. This does help. However, this makes it so that you hear the person closest to the camera very well, but sounds far off, you don't hear very well. I guess what I'm making this video for is to ask, does anybody know anybody else have a GoPro that's having the same problems? Because I mean, we spent a fortune getting, lights and microphones and all kinds of stuff in little stands, trying to get our GoPro video, because I'm trying to step my game up. And, we want to get quality videos out there, especially with the BattleBot stuff, when we're going out and testing it and everything. And, like, the sound, that has plagued, since we've started YouTube, sound issues have plagued us. Like, we've, got, graphics card update, or upgrades, we've got memory upgrades, we've got motherboard upgrades. We even upgraded our CPU. We've not upgraded the sound card. But that shouldn't affect the quality of the GoPro, and it is, and I can't for the life of me. I've watched just about every tutorial I could, and before it was working fine. It was working fine. Of course, the fishing videos you hear a lot of wind just because where I had it on my head was right here, and fishing the bar pier, it gets windy, and that's going to pick up wind. But when there was talking, you could hear it fairly well. But our last couple of videos, the sound has been bad, and you hear that thumping. And at first, I thought it was like a fan or something like that. The last video we did, we had no fans running or anything, and it was still in the video. The video that my wife we just posted with us outside testing the GoPro stuff, you hear it then too. So I'm not sure if I think it might be the camera itself. I'm not sure. But if anybody's having any issues with this, or anybody knows a way that I can increase the quality of the sound of my GoPro, please let us know. Shoot me something in the comments, and or if you link me a site that shows that of other people having the problem, that shows a fix for this, because I really want a solution for this, and I don't want to spend more money, because that's what we seem to be doing, is throwing more money at the problem, and the problem's not getting better, it's actually getting worse. So, like I said, if you know how to fix this or got any ideas, just please put a link in the comments, or I don't know, just let us know in the comments below if you have a fix for this, because it's starting to get frustrating. It's starting to make me regret having this, because the videos sound horrible. So anyways, my name is Battalion. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking the videos. And we hit our first 1,000 view video in under 72 hours, so we're real proud about that. But we appreciate it, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.